Join us tonight for Sunday Night Lime right after the episodes.
Excuse me, wrong choice of words. Because we know Mr. Wallace is more than capable of taking care of himself. So he asked me to follow him here. That's all.
Okay. Hello, can I help you? Welcome to Calder Tours. How may I assist you?
I know her. Just give us a second.
Okay.
She's nice.
We are there. There's no way that we can go way enough on a way.
Sweet. Why you have to be so hostile?
You want to know why this hostile? You shoot a man 9 foot. Like everywhere we turn, you turn up. You didn't want to shoot him somewhere?
Or you didn't want to make him throw with the rest of his life?
To come back to the agency? Just know, I'm done with the agency.
Celine, we'll way past that. What I would really like to do is speak to Mr. Wallace. With your permission.
You don't need my permission to talk to Carlton. Because remember, you guys were very friendly at one point.
Come on, Celine. This not look good for you. Jealousy?
Jealous? That's quite unbecoming. And that isn't me.
That's good to know. I'm actually here out of respect though. So, if you could show me the way.
Trevor, Carter take woman back up down here. Yes, I know what me talk about. The one we come with him, the one we him ask her for follow him, and a strong body man just come. Them a talk about shooting a foot and ask her for something. Hey, make sure see every phone in here, you know. I know fast me a fast. Make sure you see your phone in here because if war broke out, me I call you. Alright.
Upstairs, curacao room.
Thanks.
Is everything okay?
Oh yeah, everything is peachy.
Really, babe? You knock?
Mr. Wallace?
So what is now? An official arrest?